What's up, cricket fans? Welcome to yet another vlog from the Power Play Project. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त श्रेयस और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कल के मैच के बारे में जो कि था राजस्थान रॉयल्स और चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के खिलाफ. राजस्थान रॉयल्स absolutely dominated the game, right? एक तरफ Sanju Samson, who's moved from Rajasthan to Chennai, and दूसरी तरफ Ravindra Jadeja, who's moved from Chennai to Rajasthan Royals. So it was a cracker of a game, I must say. If you look at the game that started off, there was some scare of rain. Thank God for heaven's sake, बारिश नहीं हुई. Weather was clear. We got to see the full 20 over game for each side. But गुवाहाटी में जो कल हुआ वो मैच बिल्कुल नहीं थी. CSK की कुटाई थी बिल्कुल, लेफ़्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. नैंद्रे बर्गर और जोफ्रा आर्चर ने जो बॉलिंग किया और चेन्नई के जो विकेट्स लिए इन क्विक सक्सेशन, राइट, मतलब स्टम्प की ऐसी की तैसी कर दी उन्होंने. एंड इवेंचुअली चेन्नई हैड टू रिलाई ऑन जेमी ओवरटन फॉर गेटिंग द स्कोर अप टू 120, राइट. एंड never ever did I ever think कि Chennai would be in such a situation in yesterday's game. So if you look at the match yesterday, Chennai Super Kings ने struggle करके 19.4 overs में 127 runs बनाए, with Jamie Overton being the highest run scorer for them. इज्जत बचा ली, to be frank, Jamie Overton ने. He scored 43 of 36 balls. Karthik Sharma, who is also a new debutant for Chennai, he scored 18 runs of 15 balls. Sarfaraz Khan scored about 17 out of 12. Sad thing ये है कि Sanju Samson again couldn't get off to a flyer. He struggled, went out pretty early, scoring very low runs, right? Sanju scored 6 of 7 balls. Ruturaj Gaikwad also didn't click yesterday. He scored 6 runs of 11 balls. Ayush Matre went on for a duck, right? So both Nandre Berger and Jofra Archer, the first couple of overs were lethal, I must say. They utilized the pitch absolutely well, and with some of the variations that they bowled, Chennai with just no match for their bowling lineup. Thank God middle overs और tail enders ने मिलके थोड़ा run बना लिया, taking them to 127. Then what came after was absolutely special, right? 15 साल का बच्चा अपना वैभव सूर्यवंशी आ जाता है फील्ड पे यशस्वी जायसवाल के साथ ओपनिंग करने के लिए राजस्थान रॉयल्स के लिए. एंड 15 बॉल में जब 50 बनाता है कोई, he must be an absolute class to watch, right? So he did exactly that. Everyone had their hopes on Vaibhav Suryavanshi, and he made some of these fast bowlers look like gully cricketers, to be frank, right? It felt like he was playing a Sunday casual match कहीं पे अपने मोहल्ले में, और ऐसे चौके छक्के मारे. And with the way he went, we thought the game would be over anytime. But Rajasthan Royals didn't need too much time. They won the game in mere 12.1 overs. This is something that any team would target. They scored 128 in 12.1 overs. This is something that you would generally see any team get. But the way they went on to start, with Yashasvi Jaiswal scoring 38 runs of 36 balls, if you compare his innings with Vaibhav Suryavanshi, come on, you got to give it to this young guy, right? Dhruv Jurel also came in, scored a quick 18 out of 9 balls that he faced, with a strike rate of 200. Riyan Parag also joined the party afterwards, 14 runs from 11 balls with 1 boundary and a sixer. क्लासी राजस्थान रॉयल्स अलग ही मूड में दिखाई दे रहे थे एंड व्हाट अ गेम टू स्टार्ट ऑफ फॉर रियान पराग एज अ कैप्टन फॉर राजस्थान रॉयल्स. One more thing that I observed in the game was how Ravindra Jadeja was reacting to him getting a couple of wickets, especially of Shivam Dube and everything. So very emotional moment for him. Match के बाद भी if you saw he was talking to Khalil Ahmed. There was a moment where he kissed the Chennai Super Kings ka logo as well. Very emotional moment for sure. But Rajasthan Royals absolutely deserved the win yesterday. Cracker of a game. I did not expect it to be that close. Are Chennai already facing the heat, or are they really missing MS Dhoni in the mix, right? वक्त ही बताएगा. Let's wait and watch and see how they go from here, how they recover from this loss, and see how Chennai Super Kings will come back strong in the next couple of games for CS. अब हम बात करेंगे आज के गेम के बारे में, जो है पंजाब किंग्स वर्सेस गुजरात लायंस. ये मैच होने वाला है मुल्लनपुर में और ये असली पावर प्ले वाली इनिंग्स होने वाली है. स्टैट्स की बात करें तो दोनों टीम्स एकदम बराबर है. 6 मैचेस खेले गए हैं साथ में एंड 3-3 की स्कोर लाइन है. मतलब आज जो जीतेगा वो लीड कर लेगा इफ़ यू कंपेयर 1-1 के हिसाब से. एक तरफ में हम लोग को श्रेयस अय्यर देखने मिलेंगे जो कि पंजाब के कैप्टन रहेंगे. भाई पिछले साल 600 से ज़्यादा रन्स बनाए हैं उन्होंने एंड हिज स्ट्राइक रेट वाज 175 which is crazy for a captain. He's absolute beast in the middle overs. सामने हैं प्रिंस अपने शुभमन गिल who's leading गुजरात लायंस. गिल का रिकॉर्ड इस ग्राउंड पर कमाल का है एंड with जॉस बटलर in the mix who will be joining him at the top. बॉस ये बैटिंग लाइनअप तो इलीगल होनी चाहिए. Simply mad. Because if both of these two get set in the starting overs, I'm sure they're going to take the game away from ball one. Joss Butler is coming off from an orange cap season. He scored 538 runs last year. तो पंजाब के bowlers को थोड़ा आज एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा for sure. If he continues with the same form from last season, nothing like it. I'm sure Butler will take the game away. Now bowling अगर देखा जाए तो असली जंग होगी अर्शदीप सिंह और राशिद खान के बीच में. अर्शदीप ने पिछले साल 21 विकेट्स चटकाए थे. This is his personal best figures in the IPL. उनका काम पावर प्ले में गेल और बटलर को शांत करने का है, which he's been doing successfully over the past few seasons. और राशिद खान का, he's known for his economy. He goes by 7.09 of economy and in a T20 game that's like gold, right? अगर पंजाब को बड़ा स्कोर बनाना है तो they'll have to somehow figure a way to manage राशिद खान, या तो मैनेज करे by going after him from ball one, या figure a way on how they can survive 4 overs of Rashid Khan. As simple as that, right? अगर win probability देखा जाए इन दो टीम्स के बीच में 54% गुजरात की तरफ झुक रहा है और पंजाब, if you see मुल्लनपुर is their home turf. और यहाँ पे एवरेज स्कोर होगा अराउंड 175. बट विद दीज टू लाइनअप्स एंड द करंट एवरेज स्कोर इन IPL दिस सीजन, आई एम श्योर ये 200 के ऊपर जाने वाला है फॉर श्योर एंड 200 प्लस इज डेफिनेटली ऑन द कार्ड्स. मेरा प्रेडिक्शन इस मैच के लिए, आई विल प्रॉब्ली गो विद पंजाब टुडे. because Shreyas looks hungry for that trophy. He won the trophy with KKR, so this season it'll be nice to see if he gets an opportunity to lift the trophy with Punjab Kings. आपको क्या लगता है, गिल होगा या अय्यर? जल्दी से एक नज़र डालते हैं ग्लोबल क्रिकेट अपडेट्स पर. there's some sad news. Apparently मुंबई के एक होटल में IPL के ब्रिटिश ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियर was found dead. It is a tragic loss for the broadcasting community. There's not too much in the news about क्या हुआ, what was the reason for the death, but apparently a British broadcast engineer was found dead. इंटरनेशनल सीन में न्यूजीलैंड रेडी हो रहा है श्रीलंका के सीरीज़ के लिए. They're gearing up for this game, so I'm looking forward to seeing another cracker of a series between New Zealand and Sri Lanka. Then there's a lot of debate that's happening around the impact player rule, right? Some love the extra power, while others say it's making the game a 12 versus 12 mess. But you never know, right? आप बता देना comments में कि does this impact player rule really help a team? Yeah, it's just creating a lot of confusion and added advantage to certain teams. Now comment sections में बता देना आप किस टीम को आज सपोर्ट कर रहे हो. Will it be Punjab Kings या गुजरात लायंस? Will you be going for the likes of Shreyas Iyer या शुभमन गिल? आपके predictions comment sections में डाल देना. और if you like this video, please do share, like and hit that subscribe button as well. It will help us go a long way. And इसके बाद मिलते हैं कल एक और वीडियो के साथ. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more in the Power Play project. Thank you so much for watching.